everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here to show you how I take my art from this to this with 5 easy steps. So come draw with me and take our art to new levels. My first step is planning and concept layout. I'll advise you guys to have a clear understanding of what you want to convey through your art piece. Having a clear idea of the concept will help guide you. Speaking of clear ideas, I believe reference gathering can help any beginner or intermediate artist get a visually clearer understanding of what they would like to see within their piece. So don't be shy, guys. Gather up at least 3 to 5 pictures of your subjects, such as a face, anatomy, lighting, and other specific details related to your artwork. I chose 1 out of my 3 references I'd like to use. Step 2, refining details. My second favorite step is line drawing. Your lines can look fine, bold, and even detailed. It all depends on you guys. I wanted my lines to look edgy yet bold because this is Rihanna. Hello, why not? So please guys, don't be scared or intimidated to sketch over your reference because this has helped me over the years tremendously. Who cares what anyone thinks? Do what works for you, always. Step 3, color exploration. One of the first things I try to do before my video is selecting my colors for my subject. Though I constantly change my hair color, lips, or skin tones throughout my video. It's okay to play with colors and decide on a color scheme that complements your concept and even evokes a certain mood. Step 4, adding depth. After applying your basic colors, use shading techniques to create depth and shadows to define certain parts of your subject gradually. I build on Rihanna's complexion from dark shades to lighter shades, and then I add highlights on a separate layer. Please take your time with this step. This is where you need to trust the process. Step 5, final touches. Now I want you guys to review your entire composition. Take a step back and ask yourself, do all the elements work harmoniously? If so, your only step now is to finalize your concept and add additional details here and there. Pay attention to the outer parts of your piece and ensure it looks smooth and clean. And there you have it. You guys should be proud of your work and how far you have came. Thank you for sticking around and see you guys in the next video. Bye!